Okay, the first thing we need to do is import the Cubits package. They should all work the same. They have the same skeleton, so it doesn't really matter what version of Cubits you're using. But in this case, I'm just going to import version 1. And now that we have the package here in our inspector or in our project panel, you can go to the FBX folder, double click on it, and it has a couple of LODs, so depending on which one you are using, you have to do the same steps for the selected object. So in this case, I'm going to grab low poly male 01, which is the level of detail with the more definition, with more polygons. And select that FBX and then go to the inspector, and then under the rig tab, make sure it's set to humanoid. Click on create from this model, right? The avatar definition is create from this model. Configure, you click on save the scene, and it should automatically be in the proper configuration, so all these bones should be green. There could be some bones missing because this is a very simple model, so it doesn't have like as many as a real skeleton, but it should work, as you can see here in the avatar. Once it's all green, it means that you can pretty much grab any animation from mocap or Mixamo or whatever. So just click on done, and then you can go to Mixamo. So in this case, I'm going to do it like really quickly to show you how I'm going to do the process. So just go to Mixamo. So now let's go to Mixamo, and we can just grab any animation. I'm going to use, let's say, this shoved reaction with spin. And I'm going to click on download. I'm not going to change anything here. So the settings here I usually use is are the default one. So 30 frames per second, FBX. I usually use FBX for Unity to make sure it works. And since we are going to use just the animation, I'm not going to use the with skin. So I'm going to download the without skin. That means just the animation file. So I'm going to grab this animation. It's going to take a second. I'm going to put it here on my desktop, and then I'm going to import it into my Unity projects. It doesn't matter really where. So create, import new asset, and then we grab the animation. Let's do it really quickly. And now here's the thing. You also have to do the same for the animation files that you download. So this is the animation file from Mixamo, as you can see. And you also have to do the same as we did before. So you click on the rig tab here, and instead of animation type generic, go to humanoid, create from this avatar. Same settings, standard 4 bones. If you want, you can optimize game objects. It's up to you. In this case, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click apply. And once it's done, you can actually test out the animation. Of course, you have to create probably an animator. So I'm just going to make an animator controller, and I'm going to call it Qubit test anim. And in here, I'll just drag the animation. And by the way, I'm using the same version that you sent me. I'll probably just upload a better version of this video for other users. So just drag the animation here. I'm gonna keep it at speed 1, and that's it. I'm going to select this guy and then add that animation controller. And if you click play, that should be all the setup that you require. In reality, the setup was more on the Mixamo side because the qubits are pretty much set up for humanoid animations. So yeah, make sure that every animation that you use If you download it from the internet, just check under the rig tab that it's set to humanoid. And if it doesn't have an avatar definition, just make sure to configure and create from this model and apply. And that's all you need to do. Hopefully this video helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. And thanks for your purchase. Looking forward to see what you come up with. Thanks.